What's up? You need to subscribe to our channel.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those.
Let's charge it up and do it again. I think this thing will fly with a full battery. This is how we do stuff when we go bashing. We need soldering. Other than that, it's good. Don't do as I do. Just do as I do. Jump that way and then I'll move it. Oh, yeah. Dude, that was, my heart stopped right there. Who would have thought? A $350 car.
What is that?
MT-10E Red Cat.
Y'all hear that, right?
Hey, jump them together. Hey, jump them together at the same time. Hit it, son. No, you go first. Ow! Woo! Yeah! That noise, that clicking, that's common, guys. That's common. It's a little like $5 part on the steering rack, steering bell.
That's like a commercial on the truck right there for sure.
I don't know why nobody bought these things.
No. I can't even drive a thing straight.
Neither can I.
She always says that.
Caden, but he's a professional. All right. Nailed him. You two are tied.
I need to back to that loop conversation.
Kid has tails. You get lane choice. What do you want? He wants left side of the street. Back up. Right there. Gentlemen, I'm going to ask you both if you're ready, and I'm going to say the word go. You understand? Yeah. Abel, are you ready? Sir. Kid, are you ready? Yes, sir. Go. Give, take the win.
Sensor.
It's all right. Say welcome to Desert Hobbies. Miss Wendy.
Welcome to Desert Hobbies.
4.5 hour drive.
Yep. Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir.
And then-
Thank you very much.
Hey, like I said.
Oh, can I get a gear for that Traxxas?
Yeah, buddy, give me 2 seconds.
What do you need? No. Okay then. What do you need?
What's a Traxxas 4-wheel track gear?
Good morning.
Good morning.
What we doing?
Going to get some breakfast.
The last day, huh? We leave out tonight at
10:22.
Hey, look, it's Webb RC. You know,
It's early in the morning.
because they got sausage. Wow. Moving on out. Is anybody here?
I made a monster rice.
And we're gonna grow some thyme. We're gonna get some Coca-Cola. She got me up, so, and then she says there's breakfast. So we got gravy, potatoes, eggs, and then a surprise. You gonna save me some?
No. I'm hungry.
first time ever having smash burgers. What do you think, dear?
I think it is really, really good. I really love their shake.
I do too. Mine's good.
Their onion rings.
I love the onion rings. They're sharp. The fries are good. Look at that. That looks healthy.
Burger.
If you're wondering how I keep my shape, there it is. And yes, it even comes with a roll of toilet paper.
And some towels.
No. As everybody knows, we were Ubering and lifting everything, so this was a Uber Eats. I don't know, a smash burger normally costs $60 for 2 hamburgers, but it's good and we're enjoying it. So just getting ready for the flight. And I guess she's gonna take a picture of me. Nice. Well, we on our way home, ain't we?
Yes, we are on our way back to Georgia.
Woo! And then off to Tennessee. You like that?
I really like that.
Do our floor like that? Don't like it that much? Look at there. Really? Damn it. She said nope. How did it?
We are home.
To madness again.
Georgia.
Yeehaw.
The Bixby spider went up the waterfall again.